In this video, I will show you how to sell on Phantom Wallet. So let's get right into the video. First of all, you need to open up your Phantom Wallet. After that, go to a decentralized exchange. Once you did that, you need to connect your Phantom Wallet to the decentralized exchange. After that, you need to select the Solana/USDT option. Once you did that, you need to sell the Solana and confirm the transaction in Phantom. The next step is to transfer the Solana to a centralized exchange. Now what you need to do is copy your deposit address. And after that, go to your Phantom wallet. Select Solana and click on send. The next step is to paste the deposit address and enter the amount of Solana that you want to transfer. And after that, you need to confirm the transaction. And once the transfer is complete, you can sell the Solana for USD or USDT on the exchange. And that's it for this video.